welcome back to my channel. I'm Denny, and today I have for you my Mint Mongoose. So I was sent this over by Mint Mongoose to check it out. It's PR, and I want to see their subscription is all about. So this right here is the lovely package that it comes in. I love this blue. Let's go ahead and break on into this package. What I do know about the actual company is that it is a jewelry subscription. You usually get 3 pieces of jewelry inside of your bag, and the subscription is $12 a month. Now let's just go ahead and see what I received. I see here a little box, okay, and there's nothing else inside of here floating around. Okay, just wanted to make sure. Now I have this little box with this Tiffany blue like ribbon, which I think is super cute. And this actually, it looks like they emboss their stuff with like wax, which is so cool. It's so nice. I don't even know how I should open this. Do I break it on the seal? Is that the wrong way of doing this, or is that the right way of doing this? Okay. Oh, the seal came right off. So, okay, this did as well. Now it comes in this little, oh, I hear something jingling already. There's something on the outside. Oh, and candy and things are falling out. The first thing that I'm seeing is this ring right here. It's, let's see this. It's an arrow. Okay, this is super cute. I like this. It looks like it's an adjustable ring, and it's an arrow shape. I love how, I think I'm just going to go ahead and wear it on my pinky because I think that's where I like it. Let's just go ahead and wear that. And right here I have a little card that says, "Thank you, Mint Mongoose." And it says, "Yay, it's here. Be sure to share your photos and things like that on social media. And you can win a free month." So if I tag this, I can try to win a free month. Let's see. It comes packaged really cute inside of some tissue paper. I'm already loving that. I love the little details. It is the little things that make a difference. So let me go ahead and open this. Ooh, I'm seeing little packages, and they package them with like a little card here with a little prong holding it down. So let me go ahead and open these prongs and get into the package. Oh, the first, these are earrings, and it looks like they're blue. Okay, which makes me excited because I'm already wearing blue at the moment, which means I don't have to change any of my clothing. Ooh, so they're studs, and they are this lovely like marbled blue. Oh, that is beautiful. Marbled blue studs. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off and go ahead and model my new earrings. Try those on. And for $12, you could pay $12 just for some studs. That's a really good deal. And I already have this cute little ring. So let me go ahead and put this on. They have their little backing. Also, Mint Mongoose ships worldwide. So if you're in a different country and you want to get this subscription, they ship worldwide. Also, they have like, they're embossed right here with a little mongoose. That is so cute that you know that it's from them. Okay, second one is in. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Oh, they look so cute. Okay, on to the next thing. So the next thing right here, oh, it's a necklace. So that is exciting. It also has a little prong to open it. Oh, I didn't even notice that the back of this actually says spend $40 on individual items in their online shop and you can receive your next box for free. So if you purchase something from them, you can get a box for free, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see what this piece is. I guess that's for everyone. Oh, and it's blue too. It's all matching. I'm loving this. So it is a necklace, and it has an arrow, and it has the same marbling detail, and then it goes down and it has like another little arrow chain. That is gorgeous. And then the back of it has that embossed little mongoose right there, which is so cute. Now, I'm already loving this necklace, and not only because of the color and how it looks, but because it's an adjustable necklace, and because I'm larger than most people, I need something that can be adjustable. Oh, look at how this looks on. This is beautiful. Oh, I love it. This is really cute. I can't wait to like wear this out. I'm sure people are going to stir up conversation about it because look at these earrings, the necklace, the little ring. Yes. Okay. I am loving this subscription. So for $12, you can get yourself a full set of jewelry, three pieces. That's amazing. The necklace alone is probably worth a lot more than that. And I love how like delicate it looks, but also you can dress it up or dress it down. Goes really well with what I'm wearing right now. That was totally a coincidence. I'm keeping this on. I love it. So thank you so much to Mint Mongoose for sending me this for their review. I am loving all of the pieces. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my Guns fam. Check out Mint Mongoose. And as always, from my house to yours. Love ya.